This session will cover app tabs. App tabs are the name given to the tabbed interface in the Pro client when content is opened, as shown here. The panel at the bottom has multiple features and capabilities. First, on the left, we see three icons that can be used to invoke other functions. The first button is the main menu and includes a list of key functions. Within the main menu, the bottom three buttons are shortcuts to the home page, the admin console, and the Content Explorer, and the top button will log you out. Print all open items will take you to the Print and Export dialog box, where you can select an output type and content to spool and export. The Discovery Slideshow button will display a slideshow of all Discovery reports, allowing you to view each report one at a time. The Save All Items button provides a quick way to save all open items without having to individually enter and save each item. And last, the Close All Open Items allows you to close all open items with a single click. The second button is Quick Open and allows you to quickly open content from the content system. You can also search for content in the Quick Search panel. Wildcards can also be used to drive the search. So if you want to look for easy trading data model and enter wildcard trading, the Quick Open will display the model and allow you to open it. Or you can open favorites, recent, or a content folder to open content from any of the apps. The third button is App Tab Search, which allows you to search your open tabs for content. This is very useful when you have a lot of tabs open and want to jump quickly to a specific tab. The App Tab Search also lets you sort the tabs by name, by type, and filter by type to make it easier to get around the tools. When you have multiple tabs open, you can jump to the first tab by clicking this icon. Clicking this icon moves you to the last tab. Clicking these arrows shifts the tab left or right, one tab at a time. When you have a specific tab selected, clicking Control arrow left or right on your keyboard will move you between the tabs. And to change the order of the tabs for a more intuitive ordering, click and drag the tab to the preferred position in the tab list and then drop it. You can also start a new tab by clicking the plus button. For instance, let's start a new Illustrate session. Each tab exposes functionality for the given tab by right or left clicking on it. This may change based on the item's current state and the relevant app. In general, the functionality includes the ability to add the item to favorites or give a rating to the content. Other content actions include being able to do a quick content duplication, renaming the item, or changing its metadata description. When saving an item from the App tab menu, there are options for Save As and Save as a new version. We can also delete this item from the system directly from here. To find this item in the content system, you can use the Go to Item Location option. Opening related content will find all content items in the system that are used by this item or items that use it. Finally, there are options to close the tab or to close all other tabs. On the far right of the App tab interface, we see 2 or 3 other buttons. The first button is a quick link to the bulletin board, which is the internal port for rendered items and conversations. The second button is the spooler. Here, any long-running jobs like printing will be listed, so you can get them while they are processed in the background. And finally, if you are focused on a green Discover report, you may see the Performance button, which shows the benchmark diagnostics on querying performance. This may not appear if this feature is not enabled in the admin.